If you're considering buying Sendcloud, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before you take the plunge. This software promises a seamless shipping experience for e-commerce businesses, but is it the right choice for you? Let's dive into 7 key points to help you make an informed decision. First off, Sendcloud offers a very user-friendly interface, which is great for businesses of all sizes. Unlike competitors like Shippo or ShipStation, Sendcloud has a streamlined design that makes managing shipping straightforward. You'll be able to integrate with all major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. It's an intuitive setup, especially if you're new to shipping software. Next thing to consider is the range of carriers Sendcloud supports. This platform partners with over 50 carriers globally, including major ones like UPS, FedEx, DHL, and USPS. This is a huge advantage over some other platforms, which may limit you to just a few carriers. With Sendcloud, you get a variety of choices, so you can select the best rate and delivery options for your needs. The third thing to know is the pricing model. Sendcloud uses a subscription-based pricing structure, which is based on the volume of parcels you ship. This might seem simple, but be sure to evaluate whether this is the most cost-effective option for your business. Competitors like Shippo charge per label, and for businesses with low to medium shipping volumes, this can sometimes be more affordable. The fourth thing is automation. If you're an e-commerce business owner, you know how valuable time-saving automation can be. Sendcloud's automation features are robust and easy to set up. You can automate notifications, custom labels, and even returns, making it a powerful tool for scaling. If you compare this to other platforms like ShipStation, which can be a bit more complex in setting up automation, Sendcloud stands out for its ease of use. Moving on, Sendcloud also integrates seamlessly with major accounting platforms, which is not always the case with other shipping tools. This integration helps streamline your financial records, automatically tracking shipping costs and providing valuable insights for managing your business finances. You can even automate VAT reporting if you're in the EU, which saves a lot of headaches. The sixth thing to mention is their international shipping capabilities. Sendcloud excels at international shipping, offering discounted international rates that are hard to beat, especially if you're a smaller business. While other platforms may offer international shipping, Sendcloud's ability to offer discounts and handle customs paperwork smoothly gives it an edge. This is especially useful for businesses looking to expand globally. Finally, let's talk about customer service. Sendcloud is known for its excellent support, with a range of channels including live chat, email, and phone support. While competitors may charge for premium support options, Sendcloud's customer service is readily available without additional fees. This makes a big difference if you ever run into issues, especially when it comes to managing your shipments efficiently. If you're sold on Sendcloud, I highly recommend trying it out for yourself. You can get a completely free trial from the first link in the description below. You'll also unlock exclusive benefits just by using that link, so be sure to check it out. Remember, Sendcloud could be the perfect solution to simplify your shipping, but now you know what to consider before buying. If you're ready to dive in and take advantage of all the features, click the first link below to get your best free trial of Sendcloud. Don't miss out on the exclusive benefits.